Welcome to Entrepreneur Time Hacks, a concise lecture by Dr. Microlearning on time management for founders. Over the next slides, we'll explore practical techniques to reclaim focus, boost productivity, and scale your operation. From auditing your energy to automating routine work, so you can spend time on the high-value tasks that actually grow your business. This activity and energy audit framework walks through 3 stages: logging, analysis, and implementation. Start by tracking activities in 30-minute blocks, then use the visual audit to spot hidden loops and low-yield meetings, and finally apply deliberate scheduling and waste elimination to shift high-revenue tasks into your high-energy periods and measure productivity gains. Use a repeatable daily template to reduce decision fatigue and protect strategic focus by theming your day. Reserve mornings for deep product work and strategic tasks aligned with peak energy. Block afternoons for sales and client communications, and keep crisis buffers to absorb shocks and prevent priority derailment, ensuring consistent execution and resilience. Adopt OKRs as a North Star. Set 3 ambitious objectives, define measurable key results, and plan weekly tasks that ladder up to those outcomes. The OKR structure helps filter initiatives, prevent shiny object syndrome, and concentrate effort on needle-moving outcomes while operating within finite horizons to optimize time, allocation, and impact. For deep work and focus sessions, reserve uninterrupted 90 to 120-minute blocks, disable notifications, and use focus timers. The slide contrasts fragmented time with concentrated blocks, showing how uninterrupted slots produce higher quality output and faster innovation cycles, which can be the differentiator for startups competing in fast-moving markets. Batching tasks minimizes context switching and cognitive residue. Instead of interleaving email replies, approvals, and social posts throughout the day, designate batch windows to group similar activities. This approach frees large, contiguous periods for sustained analytical thinking and creative problem-solving, driving higher throughput and clearer focus across your work. Apply the delegation and opportunity cost framework using a simple dollar rule. If your time is worth more than the cost to outsource a task, delegate it. Protect high-value strategic thinking and invest in scalable systems so personal capacity translates into systems capacity, preserving financial runway and enabling the business to scale beyond individual limits. Leverage automation to reclaim weekly hours. Connect tools like Zapier, enforce calendar rules to auto-book or block meetings, and apply email filters to prioritize messages. These process optimizations compound into meaningful time savings, freeing your attention for innovation, partnerships, and customer validation that actually move the business forward. Designate a meeting-free build day each week to guarantee uninterrupted build time. This policy forces asynchronous updates, strengthens a documentation culture, and provides predictable space for strategic thinking, protecting high-level planning and innovation from being sacrificed to ad hoc discussions and constant interruptions. Align work with biological energy cycles by scheduling creative and deep analytical tasks during your morning prime, and reserving post-lunch dips for routine admin and reactive chores. This flow shortens iteration cycles, sustains entrepreneurial stamina across the week, and supports consistent performance during long-term scaling phases. Conduct 30-minute retrospectives regularly to keep priorities on track, assess goal completion against plans, identify calendar inefficiencies and reallocate blocks, and embed a loop of alignment, adjustment, and improvement. Small, consistent reviews prevent recurring inefficiencies and maintain team focus on startup priorities. Calculate ROI per hour to quantify time value. Treat revenue divided by hours as financial ROI and traction divided by hours as growth ROI. Use this engine to amplify higher leverage behaviors that multiply business value while eliminating or delegating low-yield habits, refining your focus toward activities that drive the fastest returns,